Oh, there you go. Nice. Look what I have created. Smother it. Should be good for a second. This is the flint. And you shave off pieces of it, and then you light it and it catches on fire. So I did it in some brush, and that's how we do it. Look what I've created.